How to report a bug in Lost Light. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If something feels broken, laggy or not working properly in Lost Light, then you can report a bug directly to help support. So here's how you can do it. First of all, open the Lost Light game on your device, and once you're inside the main lobby page, click on the settings or the gear icon at the bottom left corner. Once you're inside this settings page, go ahead and look for the other button from the left hand side menu, and from here go and tap on this bug option. Now from here you can go ahead and enter a short description of the bug you are trying to report. If possible, you can also add a screenshot or screen recording, and then after done, simply click on this send button at the bottom right. So after you do that, you'll be able to send bug report issues in Lost Light. Every report helps improve the experience of you and other players, so that's how you can easily report bug in the Lost Light game. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.